Hi, my name is Estefan here from the Help Desk support team at DSL Telecom, and today I'll be showing you on how you can do a data top-up using the My Telkom app. Now firstly, what you want to do is you want to make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi or internet network, and then navigate to your app store on your phone. And once you've opened up the app store, you can just type in My Telkom or just Telkom app. Now, once you have typed in Telkom and you've downloaded the app, you can just sign in. Now you'll be presented with two options, which is sign in or create account. If you haven't linked a profile just yet, I would definitely suggest creating an account first before you do try connecting. Otherwise, if you have already created a profile for yourself, click on login and then just type in your details. Once you've opened up the app, click on Top Up Data, then select Product Type, Data Bundles, select Data Bundle Type, Once Off Purchase, select Bundle Size, choose any bundle that you're happy with purchasing. I'm going with the 1.5 GB package. And then just select your payment method. I'll be using debit card or /credit card, but you can use airtime as well. Click on Pay. Now, because we use the debit card in this instance, we're going to need to fill in all the required fields with the relevant information on your debit card or credit card. Once you've typed that all in, you can just press on the button that says Proceed. Your banking app is going to ask you to authenticate this transaction, so you can just open up your banking app and click on the Confirm option or button when it's presented, and then click on the Proceed button to confirm this payment on your Telkom app. Now you will get a message that says payment successful, and you can just say go back to dashboard. You will see on your dashboard itself that the top up has been successful, and then you would be able to proceed using this data onwards.